devotion to the Almighty, the students of JNS will lead us in prayer.
सिंपल मैं अब भी मिला नहीं
A celebrity that doesn't really need an introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, it is, however, my privilege to remind the gathering here about the key points doing so predominantly in Hindi films. Miss Shetty was the winner of the international reality television series Celebrity Big Brother 5. She is the recipient of numerous awards and nominations, including 4 Filmfare nominations. Miss Shetty is also a social activist and is vocal about issues such as feminism and animal abuse. She is also the co-owner of the Indian Premier League cricket team, Rajasthan Royals. Miss Shetty's popularity is evident in her numerous TV appearances in various avatars, be it as a host or judge. Miss Shetty carries herself with aplomb and urges the readers of her book, The Great Indian Diet, to focus on health rather than be obsessed by weight. She has always been a fitness enthusiast who captained her school volleyball team and is a black belt in karate. Miss Shetty has made a place for herself in her 4-year-old son's eyes when she needs a miracle, only to realize that she has already created one is just one more indication of the joyful and loving person that she is. Thank you so much for being with us today. Mr. Ito, the Consul General of Japan, regrets his inability to join us today. Representing the Japanese consulate, we have with us Ms. Sangeeta Prabhu.
He has always supported us since the last 16 years. Thank you, Jairam. On behalf of the India Friendship Bonsai Society, Ikebana International and the PTA of Jamnabai Nursery School, it is my pleasure and delight to welcome all of you to the 16th edition of our Bonsai Village and Ikebana exhibition. What started as a small garden club in 2003 has today grown into a much anticipated and popular day-long event, spreading awareness and bonhomie amidst the beauty and bounty of Mother Nature. It has been Urvashi's. This exhibition is a small step in inculcating love and respect for Mother Nature in our children who are the select, preserve and respect the natural world. We can surely help creation as an open-air plant wall. For a change, let us engage ourselves in the plant world instead of clothes, food, entertainment that we usually indulge in the numerous malls around us. So please walk around and visit the stalls showcasing plants, bonsai, garden material, art objects made from recycled everyday materials. And we have NGOs displaying their products. I must urge you to see the HIV awareness. But above all, she's a great nature lover. And I have another aspect about you. We went to the Kumbh Mela together and I could see how spiritual, how humble. The 600-year-old art of flower arrangement is Japan's gift to the whole world. It is a disciplined art form representing the philosophy of human closeness with nature. The motto of Ikebana International is friendship with flowers. symbolizing a cultural bridge between Japan and the rest of the world. So
आगे मत जाओ ना वेडिंग पर एक्सक्यूज मी मैम थोड़ा सा दिस वे
you can't have all.
पोंगे क्या पोंगे पोंगे
Selfie the WhatsApp.
पोंगे क्या ना पोंगे
I will nurture it. I'll put something called Amrit Wali.
जगह पे करेंगे तो सबको अच्छा मिलेगा
Thank you everyone for being here today, and I hope you enjoy the exhibition as much as we have enjoyed displaying them for you. Please come.
Thank you, Ms. Hinduja. Many will undoubtedly take much delight in this open-air plant mall. Chief guest Ms. Shilpa Shetty, we'd love to hear you say a few words. Will you please share your thoughts with the gathering?
Loud. Very good morning to everyone. Harsha auntie, who didn't give me a choice honestly, and I'm really happy she did. Because she took the date 2.5 months ago. She said this time, she's been actually telling me to come for this event for the last 4 years consecutively, but every time, unfortunately, I'm always away. I'm, out of the country. But this time she said, please, please, I do not want any alibis. I just want you to be there. So I made sure that I stayed back. Mrs. Thacker, thank you so much for having us here. And I just think I've always been very enamored by Ikebana and bonsais, and I've always, had this interest of wanting to learn. My mom went to Ikebana classes, so she makes the most amazing Ikebana arrangements. But I've never had the time, but I really do want to take out the time. Strangely, in the last 1 month, I've procured 2 bonsais. And I don't know what to do with them. I have this love for bonsais, so I'll have to join some classes. Yes. I really love nature, and I think this is a great opportunity for people to congregate and see what we can do with plants around us and how we can actually beautify our surroundings. It's a great venture. Thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm really looking forward to going and seeing the stalls. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Shetty. The India Friendship Bonsai Society, a 12-member committee of strong personalities with varied talent, owes much gratitude to Ms. Charu Patel, who has lent her unending support and motivation to all its ventures. The society has always benefited greatly with the wealth of knowledge she shares and the enthusiastic mentoring she renders. It is my
Vice President Ms. Urvashi Thakur for the able leadership. Similar gratitude goes to they ensured a smooth plan of action. Ladies and gentlemen, the exhibition is officially open now. Have a good look at our displays and ask any questions that you need to know. We'll be too delighted to give you the information. May I invite the chief guest and Ms. Sangeeta Prabhu to be escorted by Kamini Johari and Asha Jindal to show them around. Thank you so much for everyone.
applied everywhere. So the shape is like this, roundish. This is lipstick.
अच्छा आगे चले हो?
नहीं आगे नहीं,
अच्छा
तो ग्रुप
अच्छा अच्छा
हम लोग के साथ। ठीक है।
आप क्या स्कूल की तरफ से हो?
फैजान आगे आ जा।
थोड़ा जगह तो बोलने। अच्छा ठीक है।
So ma'am, what would like to speak today about bonsai corner?
नहीं, ये जो शुरुआत की है थिंक 2003 से उन्होंने शुरुआत की है और इतना बड़ा बनाया है इस इवेंट को. So I'm more than happy to be here. Just the fact that I love nature and I have always wanted to learn Ikebana and how to maintain a bonsai because I have a couple of bonsais at home. So this is my first step towards learning as well, and so beautiful to just see nature in different forms. Such a lovely event.
So you have to come to our class now.
Yeah.
Best part about nature?
Is that it's
form of horticulture.
It's the
Bonsai is the highest
highest form of horticulture. How wonderful, bonsai.
संजय दत्त सर आज रिलीज हो रही है, उनसे आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं उनको जाके बोलूँगी. बहुत खुशी है मुझे.
उसके ऊपर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
किसके हाँ. I celebrate being a woman every day. I don't need a woman's day to celebrate it.
आपने काम किया है संजय दत्त के साथ में, सो आज खुशी का दिन है.
बहुत
पूरी
खुशी
फिल्म
का
इंडस्ट्री भी खुशी मना रही है.
Totally. I think he's going to come out. Not I think. I know he's coming out as a hero. He's done his time, and he's looking better than before. मैंने देखा हुआ है पूरे abs बने हुए उनके. So this has been a learning curve even for him, and I can only wish him well at every stage in his life. I'm so happy with the fact that he's come out. Yeah.
Your fans are missing you on big stage, so when you are ready?
I don't know, yeah. Whenever I get a good script, I still haven't got that role to want me to come back.
Thank you. I would like to speak today about bonsai Monaza.
So I've come to this bonsai exhibition and I think it's amazing. Also, I think it's such a nice effort to do it in a school like Jamna Bai. This school has about thousands of students, and it makes the students realize the importance of nature and gets them connected to nature. And also the effort that all the entire bonsai association has put towards this exhibition is absolutely admirable. Urvashi ji is a very dear friend of mine, and I've seen her passion for plants. In fact, yesterday, full day, she was here putting it up, and she had come in the middle to my shop, which is just opposite to my store, and she was full of mud, and she said, I told her, aren't you tired? You're standing in the sun since morning. And her thing was that, all these plants, they give me so much peace and happiness that I don't mind putting in any amount of effort in it. So it's beautiful that we have so many people who are so connected to nature, and this kind of activity will inspire a lot of others to get connected.
And Women's Day आ रहा है मैम, उसके ऊपर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Women's Day is, I think, a very good day where we celebrate womanhood, and women are such multitaskers. वो कितना कुछ करती हैं, एक माँ होती है, एक बहन होती है, और कितना मल्टीटास्किंग हर औरत करती है. आज के ज़माने में हर औरत काम करना चाहती है, लेकिन काम करने के साथ साथ बहुत इंडिया में स्पेशली हर औरत अपना माँ का रोल एकदम परफेक्टली निभाती है, एक घर को ठीक से चलाती है. सो आई थिंक वुमेन को अपलॉड करना चाहिए, एंड इट्स अ फैबुलस डे, वुमेन्स डे, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. I'm planning to have an activity also around it, so I'll invite all of you all for it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
एक सेकंड में.